Let's talk about technology and database today for matchmaking business. We work with thousands of matchmakers all around the world, and we know the questions they have in their mind. We know what bothers them and what makes them happy. When it comes down to technology, we compiled 8 questions that are most frequently asked by all matchmakers, and we're going to dive deep into the answers today. If you're a starting matchmaker, maybe a solo matchmaker, maybe you're a part of a larger matchmaking company, or you're just thinking to start a matchmaking business, stick around because these questions can help you transform your matchmaking business in 2025 completely. Question number 1. What is Matchmaking CRM? Why not use Excel sheet? Why not use Google Sheet? Why not use Jot forms, for example, on your website, or type forms? Why not use something like Monday.com or Salesforce.com? Well, all of those systems, first of all, are different systems, and you're going to need more than one to make it all work together. Smart Matchup, Matchmaking CRM is all in one for your matchmaking business. It can create submission forms, web forms, insert those forms into your website. It can connect this to your database. You can customize your database completely, send introductions, create matches. There's matching suggestions based on profile compatibility. You can create follow-ups and tasks to remind your clients to give you feedback. You can collect the feedback and use it for better matching in the future. You have a report system, scheduling system, not to forget when the matches are due, when you need to make a next match, and who is the best match in your database for your clients. It is invaluable for your business. And if you're running a matchmaking business or starting a matchmaking business, it's inevitable. You're going to have to level up your technology. And Smart Matchup is designed exactly for that, to transform your business from, for example, using 50 profiles to thousands of profiles and matching your clients in a very scalable, productive way. Stick around, you're going to learn more in the next questions to come. The next question everybody asks, will your data be secure? Will it be private and confidential in the CRM and the database? Well, the answer is we spend thousands and thousands of dollars and hours to create the most confidential, private database technology that will protect you from any issues regarding security or privacy. All the databases are separate. We have encryption from the end to the end. We have backups, and we are actually audited by SOC type 2 type of and GDPR type of compliance policies. So we are the most secure CRM software in the matchmaking business today. You can go to our website and scroll down on the bottom. You're going to see our privacy policies. You're going to see our compliance certificates that will ensure that your data is secure and private. We do not share your data with anyone. We do not use it for promotions. We do not use it for any kind of marketing. It's your data. It's our technology, and we do not fool around with this issue. Your database is completely secure, private, backed up. Your data is on the cloud. Your data is probably even more secure than if you keep it on your hard drive, to be honest, because we use cloud technologies, we use redundant backups, and this allows us to actually provide you with the security that you need to run your matchmaking business for many years to come, to get the access to your data. If you want to export your data, you will have to provide two-factor authentication processes and everything, and then it's not so simple to break, and it is absolutely secure. So stick around for the next important questions for matchmaking businesses. The next question, and a very popular question everyone asks, we're not very technical, we are a matchmaking business, so we're people. Do I get live human support with the CRM? Will you train me? Will you provide me the support when I need? And the answer is we provide with the support. We provide 24/7 support by email, phone. We actually personally train and coach all of our matchmakers how to use the CRM. We have success managers that will meet you and provide you free discovery calls, free consulting and coaching, so that you can use and set up your matchmaking CRM the way you want it, the fastest possible and the most effective way. Support is everything to us. You will talk to humans guaranteed. You will also be able to reach to me, the CEO of Smart Match App, at any given time. So yes, the answer is absolutely, and we know how important it is to you. Moving on to the next question. Stick around. The next question is the money question. How much does it cost? Do I get a free trial? Do I have any guarantee? And the answer is yes and yes and yes again. You can get a free trial at any given time. Just go down in the description, click the link, subscribe to the trial. We will extend the trial if you need it. We'll provide you discovery calls during the trial and after the trial. You are in the good hands. How much does it cost? Well, it starts with $35 per month. That's the cost. $35 per month is the cost to start a matchmaking CRM with all the essential tools you need. Now, if you're a bigger team, you can go to a premium license, which is $70 per user per month. And then if you are an enterprise client and you want the most sophisticated features we have, you can go to the enterprise plan. You are covered for any use case, from small solo matchmaker to the larger agency and beyond. If you have a question, we can create a custom plan for you. And by the way, there is no long-term contracts. Cancellation is available month by month. And if you're not happy with the software for whatever reason, we will also refund you money. In fact, we refund money without any questions asked, even if you just have to close your business for a month, or pause your business because you're on vacation or because you need a break from the business. We will refund you and close your account and open it again whenever you need. We are all about the service in our industry. Everyone knows about it. Thank you. The next question, I love it. Is your matchmaking CRM even customizable for my business? Well, it's what it is. Matchmaking business, every matchmaking business is very different. People match in so many different niches, religion-based, hobby-based, political-based. There's so many ways people match in the communities, and it has to be super customizable. And our system is completely customizable every field. You can create field for anything you want to match: personality, height, weight. You can create political affiliation questions. You can create education questions, whether or not you want to have kids questions. You can create any matchmaking criteria you want. Can you just imagine any criteria you want? And then you can create it in our database step by step. Same thing applies to preferences. All the preferences for matching are customizable. And then all of your clients will receive automated suggestions, so that you can make matches based on the suggestions and send introductions to your clients. Introduction templates are also customizable. You can upload your logo in a database, change the colors of your introductions, change the colors and styling of the web forms for your website. Everything is pretty much customizable. And you can even connect to any application out there via Zapier. So we can connect with thousands of different applications and websites out there. You are absolutely hands-free here, but yet you have a technology base that allows you to keep everything in one place. Everything is customized to you, to your unique workflows, to your unique tasks. Even automation and sequences, everything can be customized here. This is what it's all about. The systems have to be adapted to you. Is my matchmaking CRM easy to start? Is it easy to start and create a database in your system? Well, you can literally create database in minutes. We have some templates already available for dating matchmakers and other matchmakers actually. And you can literally use existing template and you can start matching in minutes. You can also receive a free discovery call and save hours and hours of time, literally not trying to do the trial and click and error, but you can actually use our coaches, our consultants to help you create a database and start matching in minutes. It's literally that easy. It's a very user-friendly, award-winning UX, UI, user interface CRM. And we are very proud that we achieved this kind of recognition in the industry. Try it for yourself. When you get a trial, you'll see how easy it is to use, and it's not intimidating at all. It's very customizable, very integratable with all kinds of platforms. And the most importantly, you get the support you need, and it's very easy to use from the day one. Very important question. Can I transfer the data from another system to your CRM. How easy is how hard? Well, we have done it hundreds of times. We imported and transferred and wrote scripts to transfer data from all kinds of other systems, including sales CRMs or other matchmaking database or even Excel sheets. Sometimes you would have to enter things manually if you have a smaller database and if everything is on the folder and it's very hard to transfer. It's possible that you need to just do it manually, but we still will find a way to optimize it. We can even hire a team for you to do this for you or with you. So yes, in terms of transferring data from other system to your Smart Matchup CRM, it is a very frequently asked questions. And the answer is we have done it hundreds of times from A to Z. You're in good hands here as well. So that question is completely answered. Don't even worry about it. If you need to transfer data, we are the technology company. That's what we do all day long. So we will transfer the data. And by the way, if you need to transfer data outside of Smart Matchup database, we don't hide it. There is an export button and you can export your database any given time because we're compliant with privacy rules. Your data is your data. We don't hold anyone hostage. You can get and export your data any given time for maybe your marketing campaigns or maybe for your private backups to have a second or third backup just in case. That doesn't hurt. It's a good idea. So yes, moving to the next question gets more and more exciting with every question. Can I connect, question number 8, can I connect my database in Smart Matchup to my website? 100% yes. You can stylize the website forms. You can create dozens or hundreds of forms for different marketing campaigns, and you can drive those forms, those leads into your Smart Matchup database. You can create any kind of fields. You can put any kind of color on website forms, buttons, and customizable user interface. It's all connected directly to the database. The minute somebody submits the profile on your website, you get a notification in your database that you have a new member, and then you can verify the member, screen the member, and then you can activate the profile. There is a way for you to actually put them in a separate folder until you activate and screen your profiles before they become matchable and activated. Everything is thought out because we work with thousands of matchmakers. We know most of the workflows and it's already pre-designed pretty much for your matchmaking business. Also, when you receive profiles from your database, you can set up automated sequences, welcome emails, follow-up emails, and immediately start matching people, getting suggestions for your new clients from your database from just received profiles, the approved profiles. They go right into the matching process and become part of suggestions when you are analyzing your matching profiles and compatibility percentage-wise. They start being part of the matchmaking process right away. So it's completely integrated and it's very easy to start and use. And there you have it. 8 questions that are asked by matchmakers most frequently are answered. You probably will have more than 8 questions, so you are very welcome to click below, submit your profile for a trial and for a free discovery call. We'll answer all of your questions. There are hundreds of more questions to probably ask, so write them down and get ready because my team is specialized to answer all your questions for professional matchmakers. We'll answer your questions, we'll set you up and get you going to the scaling your business, transforming your business to the next level using the right technology, the right database technology for your business.